Insert the rake into the lock, engage the tension, and I'm tensioning it clockwise. Right there. It's that easy. Hello and welcome back to LockLab 101. What we have here is two cross locks, sometimes referred to as cruciform locks. Can you rake these? Have you ever raked them? Well, we're going to give it a shot and find out. So I scoped them with my 3-in-1 scope, and what I found was pins in here are kind of interesting. This arm of the cross has 2 pins. This arm has 2 pins. This arm has 1 pin and 1 pin over here also. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6-pin lock. So this will be interesting. I have not raked these. I haven't picked them either. In this video, we're going to specifically rake them. And the rake we're going to use is this right here. So this is a cruciform rake. There's several different types. Let me disassemble it. So here's the rake. And the rake is nothing but 4 sprung steel, essentially half circle rakes. And then we have a holder, or sorry, this is the tension device. So this goes in here like that. This gives the tension, and this gives the raking action. The way you give tension is you have to engage the cross here, each one of these arms. And the way you engage that is with these fingers here. Those are the fingers that you engage the cross with, and then this adjustment here will allow you to go either shallower or deeper into the lock. And this is just a threaded portion that you can slip off, and you see the tension fingers there. Put this back on. This just goes in here. So you engage the tension with this tension knob, and then you just rake back and forth while giving it tension. Okay, well, let's see if this is going to work. Let me get set up and then we'll get started. I'm going to collapse the rake, insert the rake into the lock, engage the tension, and I'm tensioning it clockwise. Right there. It's that easy. Let's do this other one, just to ensure that it's to prove that it wasn't a fluke. Okay, collapse the rake, insert it into the lock, find the tension. I'm giving it clockwise tension. Okay, there we go, and then they're locked again. So this is my cross lock pick tray. It has all my cross locks in it. As I collect them, I just put them in here. Some I haven't even used before. There's some in the plastic, others are right here. And originally, this is the literature that came with it. And it originally came with a 5mm short tube, and that's the tube they're talking about is the depth of the tension rod, because sometimes those cross locks are recessed in. 6mm long tube, and then we had a 7mm, and there's only one type of tube there, and then a 4.8. So what I was using was a 4.8 orange set, silver handle, and that was this one right here. But I've collected a whole bunch of them over the years, and I just keep them in here. Okay, well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you got something out of this. This was a fairly quick video. It's just raking a cross lock. Sometimes they're called a cruciform lock. If you did, please like and subscribe. Consider watching my other videos, and as always, have a good day.